What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section of the videos. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers. So please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 20 free stocks, Moomoo is going to give you up to 20 free stocks when you open a new Moomoo brokerage account. When you put $100 initially in that new brokerage account, they're going to give you 8 free publicly traded stocks. If you decide to put $1,000 initially in your new brokerage account, they're going to give you 20 free publicly traded stocks. Who knows, guys, you might get one of the mega caps or one of the hyperscalers or a semiconductor. Get down to the description box. Click on that Moomoo link. Open up that Moomoo account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. What a great day to be an Nvidia investor. What a great day to be in the stock market as a whole. What a great day to be an investor who's out here building wealth. As I mentioned this morning in my 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time live stream that I do every single morning, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, I had mentioned to you guys that there were some resistant levels that the Nvidia stock had to pass through in order to put itself in a more favorable light for investors. And we made it through all 3 resistance levels today. Now on Friday, August 9th, the stock price closed at about $104 per share. And then in pre-market this morning, which was October 13th, it opened at $112 a share. So the first resistance level it had to penetrate through was $108 a share. So it did that in pre-market. The second resistance level it needed to penetrate was $110 a share. It also did that. And then the last one was $113 a share. That was the last resistance level. And for most of the day today, guys, it did that. And it closed at $116 a share today, guys. See, that was the big test. Not really what it did in pre-market, because we've seen that before. We've seen Nvidia rally in pre-market, but then when normal market hours open, within a couple of hours, it would start to fizzle and start to go down in price. We've seen that over the last couple of weeks. So when I looked at it this morning, I said to myself, man, this is fantastic, but can the stock price continue to build throughout the trading day and then close at or higher than $113 a share? And guess what, guys? It did it. Closed at $116 a share. Amazing, 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 amazing. So you guys know I'm extremely excited about that. What's next? August 28th, which is earnings report day. And it's widely expected that Nvidia is going to crush it. It's also widely expected that their forward guidance for how they'll finish out 2024 or fiscal year 25 and going into 26, it's widely expected that they're going to give really strong forward guidance on revenue and profitability as well. Now, don't hold me to that. I'm just telling you what I've been reading. I'm no expert here. I'm just a regular guy out here trying to build wealth just like you. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a stock analyst. I haven't worked on Wall Street. I'm not a CFP. I'm just a regular guy that's using these paper assets, these big boy blue chip paper assets to build wealth. That's all. I'm just a guy that goes out and does the research, and I bring it to you guys and form my own opinion. So that's where we're at. That's your next catalyst. Is going to be August 28th earnings report. I'm looking forward to it. I believe with all my heart that this stock price could be as high as $150 a share by the end of August. That doesn't mean it'll happen, guys. I'm just giving you my opinion. I'm giving you my prediction. Like I had been telling you guys all along for the last several weeks. And guys, I apologize about the noise. It's noisy everywhere out here where I live. So my apologies there, but I got to get through this. But like I've been telling you guys for the last several weeks, I've been telling you that as we got closer and closer to August 28th, that this stock price would start to move upward. We started out on Black Monday, and I believe that was August 5th, where we started to see the tide started shifting. You started seeing institutional investors starting to spend more money on buying stock than selling stock. They started buying more shares than they were selling shares. That started on Black Monday. And then that carried through to last Friday, August 29th, where we saw a lot of option purchases in favor of the stock price going higher. So those were the things that I started seeing that justifies what we saw today in the stock price. We passed through those 3 resistance levels pretty smoothly and closed at $116 a share and some change. Now, what will happen the rest of the week, in my opinion? I think incrementally, we will continue to see the stock move upward. I don't know if we'll have the type of day we had today, tomorrow, or the rest of this week. But one thing I believe, when we get into the final week before earnings, I think we see another jump in the stock price. And then obviously, after they have delivered the earnings report on the 28th, specifically on August 29th, I think we'll see the last run. Another push. That's where I believe by the end of the month, we could be at $150 a share. Again, guys, I'm just a guy out here making a prediction. I don't know this for a fact, and it may not come true. But what I can tell you that came true is I saw a lot of green today in my portfolio around my 11,200 shares of Nvidia stock, where I have an average cost basis right now about $105 a share. So that stock closing at $116 a share, and I got an average cost of $105, and I got 11,200 shares. You do the math. Big increase in the net worth today, and I think that will continue to climb. So I'm extremely excited about Nvidia. I'm extremely excited about the overall stock market because let's face it, in the short term, the stock market goes wherever Nvidia goes. In the short term, I'm not saying in the long term, but in the short term, with all the volatility we have, the stock market is going to go wherever Nvidia goes. And right now, passing through those 3 resistance levels and closing at 116, which we have not seen in a long time. As I mentioned, we've seen pre-market activity go up significantly on Nvidia, but when regular hours open, normal hours open for the market, it did not last. It would always go up for a few hours and then tail dive in the middle of the day towards the end of the day. Today, it sustained itself. It started out at 112. That's what it opened at. It briefly went down to 111. And then for the remainder of the day, it was around 113 to 115. And then at the end of the day, it made the leap and stayed at 116 and closed. That's good news, guys. I'm excited. I hope you are excited about what's going on, building this wealth. Like I said, if you want to take advantage of the rest of this journey, you got to get down in the description box and click on that Moomoo link and open up your Moomoo account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money, up to 20 free publicly traded companies. Who knows? You could get a hyperscaler. You could get a mega cap. You could get a semiconductor. You could get Nvidia. No one knows. It's a random process that the Moo folks use to give you those free stocks, but put yourself in the game, man. And the only way you're going to find out is putting yourself in the game. So get down in that description box, click on that Moo link, go get that free stock, go get that free money. Hey, while you're down there, check out my new website, www.richardfain.net. Check out those digital products that I have there for you that I handpicked by me to help you get to your pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Also, consider joining the Wealth Builders Private Mentorship Club through my website, fastest growing financial community on Patreon. Just join that, just hit that membership button, hit that join button, and join the Wealth Builders. We'd love to have you over there, guys. Well, all right, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. Eastern time for the live stream. Hey, don't miss it. We got some big stuff happening. We got some big stuff happening, and you don't wanna miss this, all right? Lock it in with a thumbs up before you get out of here. Thoughts become things. See it in your mind. You can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.